We're going to San Francisco next, Horizon Air, flight 2012. 1 hour and 36 minutes is the flight plan time en route. There should be just a few bumps on the climb out and the descent. The rest of the time we will do our best to find the smoothest air available. Currently in the Bay Area, partly cloudy skies, 46 degrees. Thanks again for joining us. Sit back, put on
Doors for departure, cross-check, stand by for call. While the seatbelt sign is on, please stay seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. We would like to extend a special welcome to our Mileage Plan members and those joining us from our One World Airline partners and Hawaiian Airlines. You may have heard Alaska Airlines and Hawaiian Airlines have joined forces. Together we offer our guests even more amazing international destinations and ways to get there, including Tokyo, Seoul, Sydney, and Auckland. You can book Hawaiian and Alaska flights on either airline's websites and easily earn miles to redeem across our combined network. We'll have even more benefits to share soon. In the meantime, visit alaskaair.com to learn more. It's time to prepare for landing. Please bring your seat back and tray table up. Larger items like bags, laptops, and tablets with keyboards must be seated for the rest of the flight. We'll be completing our final safety checks now and collecting all remaining. Welcome to San Francisco. The local time is 8:57. Please keep your seatbelt on, and our pilots will turn off the seatbelt sign when it's safe to get up. Your belongings should remain completely stowed until you safely reach the gate, and if your phone is close, you can take it out of airplane mode. With our baggage service guarantee, your bags will be a baggage claim within 20 minutes of our arrival at the gate, or see baggage agent to receive a discount or miles towards a future flight. For information about connecting flights, refer to the Alaska app or check the monitors inside the terminal. Before exiting the